Good morning, dear students. I am Simpy. All of you are welcome to EVS class. In the previous class, what have we studied? Do you remember? Have a look once again. We studied about the colorful clothes, the process of coloring. We learned that how do we dye the clothes, about natural dyes. Natural dyes are obtained from plants and vegetables. We learnt about chemical dyes. Chemical dyes are made from chemicals. In the previous class, I gave you assignment. Create sample piece of fabric dyed naturally. Have you done this assignment? Yes? Then it's good. Now, you have remembered everything, whatever we did in the previous class, right? It's good. Now, we will continue this chapter. Do you like these dresses? Yes? This dress is looking more beautiful than this dress. What is the difference between these two dresses? This dress is made of plain cloth and this dress is made of printed cloth. Design is made on this dress. Do you like this design? Yes, this design is very beautiful. Today we will learn that how do we make designs and patterns on cloth, right? Do you like this design? This design? Yeah, this design is so beautiful. How do we create this design on cloth? Do you know? We can create such type of design on cloth to use tie and dye method. This method is called tie and dye, right? Tie and dye, right? In this method, dyed cloth can be folded, twisted and tied in any pattern of our choice. First, we have to tie the cloth according to our choice and then we dye the cloth. Now all of you look this picture, how this man is dyeing this cloth after tying the cloth. This method is called what? Tie and dye method. This method is very good to create such type of design on the cloth, right? This method is practiced widely in Gujarat and Rajasthan. Do you like this design? Wow, this design is so good, so beautiful, right? How do we create such type of design on cloth? To use block printing method. To use block printing method, right? This method is called block printing method. Right? In this method, wooden blocks are created on which various designs are carved. After this, different colors are applied on the raised surface of the block. See, different colors are applied on the raised surface of the block. Then this block is now pressed upon a piece of cloth to create patterns like this way. This person is creating patterns on the cloth to use block printing method, right? This process is now used on paper as well. We can also use this one on paper, right? We can also use kalamkari method to make design on cloth. Kalamkari method, right? See, kalam. Do you know about this method? Kalamkari method. In this method, a special pen or kalam is used to create design on cloth. People, they make design on cloth to use pen or kalam. This process is used in both painting and printing, right? One method is called batik method. Do you know about this method? Yeah. This method is also used to create design on cloth. In this technique, wax and dye are used to create different patterns on cloth, right? Before dyeing the cloth, hot wax is put on some parts of it. Hot wax, we have to put hot wax on that part. After the wax cools down, it is removed and a beautiful pattern is formed in the portion where the dye does not seep in, right? So we can create design on the cloth by this method. Do you like this design? Wow, this is so beautiful design. This method is called embroidery. This is one of the most common methods of creating designs on a piece of cloth. It is created by hand using colorful threads. Nowadays, machines are also used. We also use machines to make such type of designs on cloth. This embroidery is called chikankari. This chikankari is famous in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, right? The cloth can be stitched into different types of garments like salwar suits and kurta, pajamas, saris and dhotis. Do you like this design? This design is also so good. This embroidery is called Fulkari embroidery. This embroidery is famous in Punjab. It is created by hand using colorful threads, right? This design is also so good. This embroidery is called Kanta embroidery, right? This is famous in where? West Bengal. And this is also created by hand using colorful threads, right? So beautiful design we can create to use such types of methods. Create designs on cloth, right? Today, all of you have learned that how do we create designs and patterns on cloth using different methods like tie and dye method, block printing, kalamkari, batik method, then embroidery, chikankari, fulkari and kantha. This is your assignment. Create a design of your own school uniform in the notebook. Take pieces of fabric like cotton,